Pick up. Don't waste foul. Hey! Hey! Cover your feet. Don't waste foul. Marcelo! Ball pressure! Straight up! Ball pressure! Up! Up! Come on, Maddie! Let's go! Rebound Black! Come on, man. Hand it up. This side. Use it.
There you go, Casey. Come on, Heat, let's go. Nice hustle, C.
Make it work, Sam. Come on. Good. Come on, Bridget. Box out. Let's go. Come on, Kevin. Move it. Forward. Let's go. Get wide.
Nice, Sarah. Hit it.
Not on yellow.
Patient. Go.
Somebody give her a screen.
Keep going. Stop ball, no foul. Come on, Black, let's go. Give it to her. Come on, Maddie, forward. Maddie, look forward. With the ball. Give it to her. Yes.
Nice.
Nice job, Casey.
Let's go. Forget about the fake. Stay in front. Help. Come on, Matt. Straight up. Ball pressure, Maddie. Let's go, Black. Let's go.
Bridget, sit down and fly. You can't be lazy.
Hey, pop. Yeah. Case be big. Hey, power case, this side. She get it to her. Make sure it's good. Make a good pass. Hey, too long.
Let's try.
Watch your eyes.
Go. Boom.
There goes.
Right to
Jeez,
Come on, Black.
Opposite. There she is.
When she's done, weak side's gotta rotate like a wall.
See the guy from Bard? Did you meet with a male coach at all?
He was not there. She told me about it.
Wesleyan's there too. Oh, she has to fix her hair. It looks terrible.
Hey, also one thing. Pick up! Help, Riddle! Help, recover, Case, recover, no fouls! Pick up! Come on, D! Keep it in front of you, ball pressure, Sam, get up! Good, Case, straight up! Hey, almost! Hey, clock in the middle. Sink in the middle. See the ball. See the ball. Come on, Manny. Come on, Sam. Jeez, won the ball. Get up, Manny. Hey, take this side, take this side. Go, go, go. You swung with the ball. Swung with the ball. Move it, move it.
There you go, Sammy.
Who's got 11? Bridget!
Straight up.
Straight up.
Oh, that's a good block.
Bridget!
That's a good block. That's a good
You
block.
can't run over there and run straight at your person.
Stay strong. Also, if we're running competition, keep yourself without sponsor. So if you fake the pass in, they'll back out to you so you get the shot. Good work, stay ready. Good work, good work, good work. Stay ready. Good work. Good work. Stay ready.
Go left, go left, go left, go left.
Sammy, you could have taken that. And you can make that every day of the week. There you go, Kate. Look at it.
Abby, take 11. Sam, switch with her. Sam, switch with her. Thank
Up
you.
high. Hey, swim move to get in front of her. You gotta hold that ball. Swim move.
Hey, come. Come. Come on.
Hustle, Black. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, don't sit. Hey, you stay. Use it, use it.
Nice job, Casey.
Hey, Sam, 13. Or it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Straight up, guys, let's go.
Right, Casey.
Hey, two hands.
Right, Casey.
Hey, get a stop, let's go. Stay in front. Hey, want the ball, see, let's go. Pick him up. Oh, you kidding me. Let's go. Box. Push. Hey, stop. Pop, pop, pop.
Run, run, run!
He's working.
Come over, Joe. Keep clean!
Oh.
Good pass, good pass.
Good.
No ball, no ball, Jake.
Casey got.
Good hustle,
Let's
see.
see.
Yeah, nice
Good
hustle,
hustle, good
Sierra.
hustle.
Right, see.
Come on, work on feet, just stop! Help side, help side, help side, help side!
There you go, Kate. Oh, that looked good.
Follow the shot.
Look up!
Good, Kate.
Hey, hold on. I'm not.
Use it.
Look up, look up.
Travel. Here you go, Case. Oh, that looked good.
And one, good.
15.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
30 seconds.
B-U-R-T. I'm just wondering if I'd recognize her if I saw her.
Hey, inside, ball first, let's go. Hey, see, don't let her get it. Don't let her get it.
Come on, Sammy.
Come on, let's go, up. Come on, Kate. Come on, C.
Come on.
Rebound.
C, you gotta keep playing. You can't just watch, you gotta keep playing. On the screen, you gotta get the yellow jersey.
There you go, C.
Two. What? Two hands,
Come on, C.
Jesus.
Hey, don't outlet, stay rebound first.
Two hands, stop slapping the ball.
That's my saying.
Grab them already.
All the time, Jim.
Two hands. Come on, Bridget. Grab it. Two hands.
Swatting at it constantly.
Hey, don't stop it. Grab it. Two hands. Get to it.
Stop! Outside!
Push.
Good job, Sam.
Two girls!
Come on, Mag. Come on, girls.
Get up! Think about you, that's the pass! Yeah!
She's thinking too long about that
Good job, Bridget! Help Kira! Going the other way.
shot. Nice job, Bridge!
12! Sam, turn around! 12!
Come on, Black. Squeeze it. Let's go. Forward. Hey,
Look
Shay.
over. Nice.
Nice job!
Hey, good work.
Nice job, Bridge. Nice job, Case.
That's good. One
Bridget!
Hey, bring your count, please.
Thank you.
Yes. Get to the ball. Hands! Come on, stop ball. Stop ball. Box Box out! Box out!
Crap.
Quick, quick!
Ready to shoot, Matt. You ready to shoot?
Pivot!
Good job, Sammy.
Hey, Sammy. Quick, strong.
Let's hold your block out to get the rebound. Back to the ball out.
Hey, let's get a stop, defense. Let's go. Hey, you're getting by her, then you started waiting for it. Once you go by, keep going. Hold on.
Good job, Casey.
And one.
Come on, Bridget.
Tip. Way to hustle back. Box out. Quick, quick. Stop ball. Get up, Bridget. Get up, get up. Stay there. Don't get the ball. Come on, Black. Good.
Great rebound, Bridget.
Good job, Bridget.
Good job, Bridget.
And,
Great rebound.
didn't get
Good
that
job.
much.
Level up. Up, down.
Maddie's open.
Move it.
Bridge.
Hey, good hustle. Hey. Hey, you good? Evan, you good?
She needs water.
Oh, stay middle, turn stay. Stay.
Cross. Cross. Cross.
Good.
Cross.
Hands up.
Wow.
Well, good.
Pressure.
Make it work.
Jeez, 3-3.
Come on, Black. Go get it, Bridget.
In the back corner.
On the screens. Left and right. Don't reach. No baseline, Bridget. Keep working, Black. Keep working till you get it. Let's go. Look. See. Say why, see.
Attack.
Oh, shit.
There you go.
Hey, defense.
In front of her.
Come on, Betty. Yes.
Nice, Casey.
Take care of it first. Good luck. Keep running. To the bag.
Come on.
Hey. One more pass. One more. 6-9. Give it to her. Come on.
How did this get off the pack?
No foul. Also back. Come on, Dean.
Hey, Nacho.
Five. Help middle. Come on, Bridget. Oh, good hustle. It's all right. Good hustle.
Please tell him.
Where?
What?
I got it. We have 2 timeouts left. Right.
I'm out black.
Right, what do you use that for?
I'm out black. Full.
Yeah, cool.
Full.
That wasn't shooting. That's not a foul.
Go black. Go white.
Nothing easy. Coming back in, Sam. Coming back in, Sam.
Nice pass. Nice pass, Madison.
Get a stop, man. Let's go, defense. Let's go, defense. Who's that horse? You pick up better than 5.
Bridget.
Manny's number 5.
You're in man. Find one person. That's it. 4 out.
Come on, active.
Hey, be active. Use the screen. Forward, forward.
Take a 3, monkey.
Look at the basket.
Thank you.
What was that?
She tipped it.
Pick up somebody, Manny.
Find your person, sweetheart. Stop blowing on me.
Let's go. Forward, work.
Help out. Help.
Rebound.
Good bridge.
Manny, stay there. Stay there, take that.
Oh.
Ball pressure. Help middle. Good. Look.
Get on it.
Good hustle. Good hustle.
Here you go, Maddie.
Good hustle.
Try now.
Hey, you got some. Finish strong. Finish strong. Hey, good work. Good work.
Good job, baby.
Listen, on defense.
Okay. Okay. She's hurt. I can tell.
Come on, Sam.
She's hurting. She's got to be done.
Way down.
Bravo.
Stay. You're fine. Help, Kate. Good, Kate. Good.
Good, Kate.
Let's go. Look, Sam.
Dribble.
Ori, move it.
Go, Steve. That's the ball.
No shit.
You're good, grab it. Grab your gun, you're good. Sam, be down. Good.
Baseline.
Hey, good. Hey.
Baseline. Help. Oh, man, you. Go catch the ball.
You want to finish recording? I want to go find a for her.
Come on, pick up 5.
Can you or no?
go. Look. 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 Get somebody with you.
Yeah.
Quickly.
That's not set.
Deflection.
Shoot that, Evie. Shoot the ball.
Stay low, Sam.
Let's see.
Good hustle. Come on. Look at baby ball.
Catch up.
Look at baby ball. Look. Rip that. You good? Is you good?
Everybody goes to the rebound. Everybody comes back to the ball.
1-on-1.
30 seconds.
1-on-1.
Let's keep playing. Let's go. Don't stop playing.
Watch out. Come back. Ball in the middle.
Good.
Ready?
Pick up. Who's in? Stay in front of it. Don't reach. Stay in front of it. Ball pressure. Good.
Good, Kate.
Good. Keep the pressure.
Ball.
Come on, C. Switch it.
Sam, get up. Good, Sammy. Come on.
Good. Good, C. Get it again. Help, Kate.